I want to touch some boobs. Yes, there it is. The manga panel, the meme, the legendary meme. Oh shit, his goal, bro. Touching some titties.
Master on the beat, let's get it.
New devil in town, bitches. Yo, what's good, bitch? Oh, you won't be waking up from this shit, bro. The fucking future trunks on him, bro. Split him in half. A world where a young man finds a young chainsaw and becomes friends with it. Then the chainsaw merges with his heart, and then he becomes the demon chainsaw. That's chainsawman in a nutshell, apparently. So, yeah. Hell yeah, we're back with Chainsaw Man. Let's go. Alright, Denji fucked some shit up last episode, bro. Fucked some shit up. Damn, bro. Those zombies didn't stand a chance, bro. And, then we met the bitch. Which you probably still think is a really nice person. Hate break to you. She's not. Okay? Yeah. I don't know. This is also first episode, so let's just jump into the second one, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, my man hungry. Obviously, makes sense. Man gets nothing to eat, bro. Here it is. Here's first red flag, bro. First red flag. There's no. Like, she makes it abundantly clear that she sees him as a fucking dog. Oh, okay. He likes that though. Sugar mama paying for the meal. Let's go. Don't get distracted by the looks, bro. She's not nice to you, alright? Because she likes you. She's nice to you because you're useful to her. Damn, he passed out, bro. Oh shit, Denji, relax, bro. My man's dreaming, bro. Relax. Or Pucci, bro. RIP, my boy, man. Oh, there he goes again. Give my man some food, please, bro. Wait, hold on, I cannot. Yo, my man's like, yes, feed me. Oh, my boy. Oh my god, he barks. No. Denji. Oh. Only goes down from there, bro. Oh, he's straight up said it, bro. What's your type? Oh my god, bro. Imagine if a girl said that to you, bro. Like, hey, yo, what kind of guy you like? I like guys like you. Damn, bro. You got the jackpot when you got that, bro. He keeps replaying that in his head, bro. Damn. I want to get together. I want to. Yo, Denji got the drip though. He does not know how to tie a tie. Listen, man, I can't blame Denji, all right? But she's just taking advantage of him, so it's just hard to look at, all right? He doesn't even answer him, bro. He's like, I'm not even gonna entertain your thoughts. Oh shit, yo. What, bro? Why are you hitting him like that? Oh shit, yo. Aki, relax. What did this man do to you, bro? Hey man, he doesn't really care about that, to be honest. I mean, got nothing to lose, if you know what I mean. You don't know Denji. Oh! Yo, he went right for the balls, bro. Yo, Aki ain't getting none, bro. He ain't getting none. Future, none of it. Oh, here we go. Oh, he went right for the balls again. Yo, Denji, you don't play fair, bro. The nut devil.
こいつの嘘です。
The nut devil. Oh.
悪魔になることができるんだ。
どうだ、すげえだろ。
I'm flexing. Yeah, boy. I'm half devil, bro. You ain't got nothing on me, bro.
他に逃げたら殺していいって言われてるからな。
Bro, I like how people just walking past them while he literally said, I could just kill you. Like, nobody just looks up like, oh, yo, relax.
マキマ、命の恩人だ。
Well, same to Denji, bro. Why are you blaming him for it?
もう一回抱きてえな。
What? You hugged her? No. How dare you?
最強のパンができちゃ
Yo, look at my man. He going all out with the toast, though.
う。わ
Yo, he living the life.
ーわ
He fucking enjoying every single minute of this shit, bro. Bruh, no toilet paper. Oh, it's gonna be tough living with this man, bro. Bro, my man got an axe. He got a fucking axe. Nope, don't even need to transform, bro. Clean off. Get out of here. Goofy.
魔人も立派な悪魔だ。
Yeah, tell yourself that, bro. Tell yourself that.
俺の家族
My man's still talking and everything, bro. Still conscious.
友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。
Facts. My man going, hey, yo, if the devil cool, I'm cool, bro. I'm cool with that.
その
Clearly, Aki has history with, like, you know, a devil doing something horrible, right? But then she doesn't, you know? So he's not biased.
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけな。
Yeah, I mean, he didn't want to make one up because he didn't want to get blood on the fucking porn mags. Real man of culture right there.
よし。エッチか
The porn is secured.
私に
Oh, Denji,
も
bro.
マジでや
I want to touch some boob. Yes, there it is. The manga panel. The meme. The legendary meme.
俺のゴール。
Oh shit, his goal, bro. Touching some titties.
デンジ君には今日からバディを組んでもらう。
Oh, partner. Oh, we all know who that
こ
is.
こにすることに
Yes, there she is,
ちょうど
bro.
よかった。おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間。
Yes, power. Let's go.
魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
Bro, you are a devil hunter, aren't you? Oh, titties.
まあいいか。よろしくな。
My man's a simple man, bro. It's like, oh, titties? All right, I like you.
パーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
Bro, just give her a head. Easy. Problem solved. Come on. Look at her, bro. She's so adorable.
わしは血に飢えてる。
I'm starved for blood. Give me some blood, bitch.
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
I can put up with crazy as long as she honey enough. Oh my god, bro. Denji. Oh.
年間のデビュー
Sea cucumber devil? What? Oh, here it is. Blood bending. Yeet. One shot, bitch.
わしの手柄じゃ。
Bro, how can you not like power, bro? I've yet to meet someone who does not like power, alright? You cannot not like power. It's not possible. I mean, what can I say? Second episode banger, bro. Banger. Lots of humor. My best girl, alright, just got introduced. Aki got introduced, you know? Denji, you know, man of culture. Wanting to touch some boobies. That's why he fights devils. Like, I don't know. I feel like that's the best option. Like, right? Like, oh, so what exactly? Why do you want to work here? Well, you see, I want to touch some titties. Like, you know, imagine, bro, job interview. I mean, that's an instant hire, right? Oh man, I'm so excited for this season. This season is already popping off, bro. First episode. Banger, second episode, banger, bro. Third episode is gonna be banger. It's only gonna get better from here, bro. Only gonna get better. Even though it's hard to believe, alright? Hell yeah.